I am Deenadayalan. This is my main product. The main part of my product is Cocoon. Let's see the steps and tools required for this product.
Step required are gum, cutter, cocoon, cutter scissor, things it requires. Let's see the steps. Let's take a cocoon and mark on two sides, like one line here, one line the other side, like this. This is the body of the bird, and take a scissor and cut like this. This is the wing of the bird. By using the cocoon piece, now it's like this. This is the bird wing, and let's cut the marked line like this, and also the other side of the body, and let's insert the wing into the cuttered piece. Let's stick like this and insert on the other side like this without using any gun. This is our bird's body without any head wing. Now let's stick the head wing like this. This is the small piece. The step is that we processed in our wing. Let's stick like this. Now the half bird is done, and I using a small piece of cocoon, I stick a bird's beak like this. So now I did 3 birds by doing the same process, previous process. Now let's paint the birds, paints that you want, whatever color. This is the output that we painted. You can color whatever you want. Now we do. This is the prop that we gonna paste our 3 birds. I used plastic plants, flowers, and some beads for a prop. Let's stick the birds in this. Now take the birds and place it on the flower by using gum like this, use the gum to stick on it correctly. So now I pasted using a gum. This is the output, and this is the final image.